Welcome to the webinar where we'll be discussing about technical trader. Friends, in the earlier session, we did discuss about one strategy, which I called it as EMA strategy to buy and sell. The strategy was very simple to buy and sell with EMA strategy. Today, I will be going with one more strategy, maybe two if time permits, which will help me to understand how easier or how nice it is to use technical trader to earn money. Without wasting time, I would like to take your, I would like you to straight go on to the topic of technical trader. The setup and everything I will not be discussing right now here in this video, in this session, because it's of no use as of now. But before I start, the last webinar was on 11th of Jan. From that day till date, if I check out the history or if I check out the data with Ajay Pandeyji and everyone, the demo IDs which I was expecting to grow by 2 times or 3 times has just grown up by 1 time. Means what I feel is the partners are not understanding the importance of this particular usage. Believe me, friends, it's going to be win-win situation for you as well as for the clients. We together at PL will be able to make a fantastic approach if this particular technical trader concept is clear. One more thing, we should try and go step by step instead of jumping to the complexities of the markets that, for example, I have this strategy in mind, I have these ones in my mind, I want this, I want that. Rather, what I suggest is, in a very nice way, I'm trying to suggest that with due respect to all the knowledge of the people that we have here, what I feel is whatever strategies we are discussing, please, at least, you'll have to review it at least for a period of 15 days consistently. 15 दिन तक कम से कम उसको आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा आपके लेवल पे. मैं बोल रहा हूं अच्छा है, I am saying it's good, but that does not actually mean it's good. You'll have to work it out your way. And friends, trust me on that point, I'm there with you. Any problem after you get the demo ID, how to set up the basic 2 or 3 strategies which I'm asking you to do, I will be happy to, happy to serve you, obviously, and it's my duty rather. But that needs your cooperation, your motivation also, your approach also. So again, I'm requesting, please, start what is basically being told to you in approaching a particular strategy. How to upload, how to use a strategy, how to make it useful. That is what we have to understand. Well, so let's start. Today that I'm going to discuss with you is a strategy all about how to gain money if it's an intraday market for me. If it's an intraday market for me, how to gain money. The strategy, friends, which I'm using is, there are basically, the strategy which I'm using is basically, there are going to be 2 strategies. One, I'm going to use the strategy right now is this crossover strategy, a very famous, a very common crossover strategy, but I'm taking the parameters 520. I want 2 averages 5 and 20 to cross each other and generate a signal for me. How to do that? That's what I'm going to discuss today. And I will try to make it clear how to use that particular strategy. I have already recorded the data on this particular strategy. So let's see how to go about. Same way, I'll go to the chart tab, a technical scan, formula builder here. Now the highlighted portion is simple moving average. I will take exponential E. Exponential moving, no, I want 2 averages, sorry. So I'll take 2 averages. The 2 averages here are 7 and 21, 7 period and 21 period. I will change it to 5 and a 20 period. And here, instead of exponential, I'll take a simple moving average. I can keep exponential, no harm in that, but I'll take simple average. Means my first period is 5 and my second period is 20. First period F, second period S, 20. I will add to source. Now see what happens. I want my crossover. I want when my first period cross over second period. You have to see this word carefully, S. When my first period crossover second period, I will say a show here. When my first period average, that is 5 days average, crosses over 20 days average, I want to buy. So I'll give it a name here, cross buy. You can name it anything. I will add the formula, fantastic. This is the right formula because if the formula is correct, I'll get the formula here and I'll save it. Now I've already saved it with the name of cross 520 buy. So I'll save it. My work is done. But the buy side work is done. Now I want to have the sell side. Again, the same way. Again, the same way. What happens? Now, when will I sell? When the second period average crosses over the first period average. When my second period average crosses over the first period average, I'll have a show. Yes, that's correct. I'll give it a name as cross sell. Whatever name, friends, you want, you can give. I'll add the formula. Once the formula comes here, it means everything is correct. If there was some mistake, the formula wouldn't have come here. Now, I'll save it. I've used the name crossover 520. I'll save it with that name. You can use whatever name. So here I have loaded my two strategies. Which strategy? Crossover, two average strategies. You can take any number of days, 721 by default. I have changed to 520. Whichever days you are comfortable, you can use it. Now, I want to test the strategy, whether it is working properly. So what I'll do is I've taken up a Nifty chart. Dhruvesh ji wants to have me the sell condition. Dhruvesh ji, I showed it. Anyways, I'll show you once again. I'll show you once again. No problem. Dhruvesh ji, the sell condition is here. I'll go to technical scan. I'll go to formula builder. Just 1 second. Hello. Yes, Dhruvesh ji. So what I'll do is I'll go to sell condition. I'll take 2 average. Here I'll take 2 average. I want 5 and 20. I want 5 and 20. I'm basing it on my SMA, simple average. You can even base it on your exponential moving average. I'll add to source. The buy condition was when the first period crosses over the second period. So the sell condition will be my second period gives a crossover with the first period. जब second period का second period का price first period के price के crossover करेगा तो मुझे sell करना पड़ेगा. This is the condition. We'll name it here, add the formula, and we'll save it. That's what we did actually. What I was into the situation right now is Dhruvesh, helping you to understand how it goes. Watch this. Up, I want this crossover strategy to be applied. See this, what is happening. I will go to right click, strategy, attach. I want to buy at the mentioned price, that is at the target which I have set, that is cross 520 buy. I want to buy. I will make the signals effective for me, use whichever conditions. Friends, I want to sell at the cross signal from when, as suggested, as feeded by me. I want to sell at the cross signal. So I gave that. Everything correct. Guys, I will add my strategy. I will attach here. I will attach the strategy here. See the signals here. See the signals here, friends. This is a signal with yellow arrow indicating they want me to buy. A signal has generated 12,261 Nifty is asking me to buy. And today it has asked me to book it at the price of 13,813. Friends, it generated a buy signal 12,261. It is asking me to exit as per the signal 13,813. Now, this is what people come and ask me. Many times people come and ask me, sir, we have entered at 12,261. What should be the stop loss? The first question. Friends, the stop loss has to be as per the client. As per the client, अपना stop loss client के हिसाब से रखिए. Some people are interested in small stop losses. Some people are ready to wait. So stop loss has to be manual. And इसके बाद upper target should be keeping on trailing, friends. We have bought it at 12,261. Until and unless I want to keep on booking, let's keep on going further. That's what the strategy is. Today, many people are not able to get sufficient profits. It's because they deal with n number of people around them, which is fair enough. I will tell you something, Mr. X will tell you something, Mr. Y will tell you something. बहुत सारे लोग आके आपको बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, and we want them to understand कि भाई मैं इसका सुनूं कि उसका सुनूं. My mind gets confused. Whom should I listen to? But then if I have to listen to different people, then why am I using a strategy? My strategy told me, sir, enter at 12 to 61. Okay, fine. Keep on watching the market. I have kept a stop loss, right? And I'll keep on getting a signal. I'll keep on waiting till I get a signal. I'm getting a signal 13,813. What else I want? This is my crossover strategy. Friends, for your reference, I have used this crossover strategy on few stocks. This is the result in front of you. Crossover strategy. I tested on Nifty, Reliance, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, and Tata Steel for a period of 1st of April to 28th of Jan. See the result, friends, 13,28,000, one lot profit. And I don't have to say anything. These are the proofs here. This is the proof for Nifty from 13th April till 28th of Jan, till date. Entry and exit. You can see this. It's on one lot basis. It's on one lot basis, friend. Nothing more. You can see this. It's 75 multiplied. Means it's a one lot basis. Similarly, 29th May till 9th September. Fine. If I'm waiting for a period of 4 months and I'm getting a profit of 1,35,000, yeah. What else? I mean, why are the number of days important? I'm interested in my result. Here you can see the summary. I'm getting a loss in Bajaj Auto. So fine, the strategy also gives me loss, but it's okay. I think so in share market, in stock market, everyone is expecting profits and losses both. So here we are, 13,28,000, period of 10 months, approximately 1,30,000 profit generated, one lot. Fantastic. What else? Not depending on anyone. Whichever market, signal generated buy, signal generated sell, but before sell, or before the signal is getting generated to sell, I have an option. I can take it out. I can get an exit. If I want to book a profit, fantastic. What's wrong? If there is a retrenchment in the price, मतलब अगर थोड़ा price नीचे आता है, तो I'll again buy. That's okay. मैंने blue chip companies ही लिया है. I've not selected some stocks which are not so famous. I've done on this very famous stocks. That means I've taken up the market itself. Nifty, Reliance, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Tata Steel. They all reflect market, friends. This is what I've done. And this is what I actually want you to follow. Last time I told you a strategy of EMA 6. Today, a crossover strategy 520. Now, before I go further, I'll take up there is one thing here. Profit says that can we add a strategy related to RSI, like RSI crossing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any strategy in your mind, we can always do it. But only one point, if your strategy does not, if there are no parameters as per your strategy, मतलब अगर आपके strategy के indicators इसके अंदर inbuilt नहीं है, तो वो मुझे 4-5 दिन का time लगता है coding करने में. We have to code it out. So anything can be coded. Can it have option data also included for making strategy? Yes. Ashwini Patil, sir, do we have alligator and zigzag indicator system in the system? Yes, madam. We do have. Again, I'm saying if we do not have, Ashwini ji, sorry, sir, if we do not have, we can do it. अगर नहीं है तो हम इंस्टॉल हम उसमें इनबिल्ट बाद में कोडिंग से कर सकते हैं. Like, just to have your attention, guys, this particular strategy. So I want you to attention. After this, I'm having this swing strategy, intraday strategy. See these parameters I've used. I have used approximately 6 parameters. I'm first discussing my parameters. The last strategy for the day. EMA 50. I want my EMA 50 price to cross over EMA 200 price. I want my second indicator, the price, the closing price should be greater than EMA 50. Third parameter, friends, my RSI. Generally RSI is 14. I've taken RSI 3, should be greater than number 80. Plus, the MACD line should be greater than MACD signal. Plus, there should be 2 bullish candles with me. Now, I want this entire strategy working. If all the conditions are satisfied, I will go for a buy. And if the entire thing opposite, I will go for a sell. But remember, when you want to sell, RSI should be less than 20. Now, these are the words which I have used. This is only for those people who feel that only indicators inbuilt can be done. No, I want condition number 1 to be satisfied, condition 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 conditions satisfied at a time, there should be a signal generated for me to buy. Now, this is what I have exactly done. See this. Again, I'll take you. How have I done it? Coding, I cannot teach you right now, but I'll show you what I have done. I went to technical scan. In the technical scan, I went here, custom formula builder, friends. Now, this is the system which I have used. These are the parameters which I have used. See this. These are the parameters that I was speaking. You can see this. EMA 50 greater than EMA 200. Price should be greater than EMA 50. RSI should be greater than R. R I have defined here as 70. You can make it 80 also. It's fine. The MACD line by default number is greater than signal. These are condition 5 and 6, friends, are actually the conditions for two bullish setup. Now, what do I mean? What do I mean by two bullish setup? See this. See this chart, friends. You can see my arrow here. This, I'm referring to 22nd December. This bar is a green color bar. I'll answer all the questions once the sessions are done. But before that, let me see if there is something urgent. Okay, there's nothing right now as such. Fantastic. Now see this. Again, I'll take a few minutes here, friends. You can see this 22nd December bar. It's a green color bar. And this 23rd December, 23rd December is a green color bar. Friends, these two bars in this fashion are called as two bullish candles. जब ये दो ग्रीन कलर के बार एक साथ होते हैं आजू बाजू में, एक के बाद दूसरा ग्रीन कैंडल बार, ऊपर नीचे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जनरली ऊपर ही होगा. अगर दो कैंडल्स आजू बाजू में है ग्रीन कलर में, तो वो दो बुलिश कैंडल बन जाते हैं. और यहां पे देखिए, ये दो रेड कैंडल्स हैं फॉलिंग कंडीशन में, तो ये दो बेरिश कैंडल बन जाते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने ये कंडीशन अप्लाई किया है कि जब ये दो कैंडल्स ग्रीन होते हैं, जरा ध्यान से सुनिए प्लीज एवरीवन, when these two bars are green bullish candles, then on this third bar, if the price closes the second bar ka high, I repeat, if the third bar ka current price, this is the current price, friends, so if the current price crosses over the high of second, I will get a buy signal, provided RSI is greater than 80, MACD line is greater than MACD signal. Now ye sare cheez, all these conditions I have put in together and I have applied in my strategy. Now see how I've done it. This is my Nifty chart. I've taken the strategy here, not the cross one, the intra one. See this, intra buy, I've already set it. Intra sell, I've already set as per the formula builder. I've done it, friends. I've applied it. I will attach my strategy. Friends, see what is happening. Please don't go on the number of arrows and white. The number of arrows and white can be less, agreed. But we are interested in money, friends. So here, see what is happening. It's asking me to enter 11,517 as per this strategy. And it's giving me an exit 13,813. You can get it, friends. Entry 11,517 and exit 13,813. What else do I want, friends? Friends, for this also, I have taken a strategy test, back test. Nifty, Reliance, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, nothing, no signal generated. This strategy didn't work on Tata Steel. No signals were generated. Fine. But even this, you can see, it's giving me a profit of 8,63,912. It is very nice to see the figures, but my problem is, you know what, friends, how many of my friends, how many of my partners, how many of my branches are applying them in practical life? Friends, anything new cannot be done easily. Please mark my words. कोई भी चीज जब नहीं होती है तो आप ये नहीं समझ सकते हो कि एक दिन में मुझे आ जाएगा. उसके पीछे बैठना पड़ता है. We have to put in, यार. We have to sit in. We have to sit in. We have to leave all things aside. We have to get the grip. And believe me, friends, once I get the grip, it's fantastic. I mean, there is no problem at all. This is exactly what I'm trying to say. Please start using these strategies. Somehow or the other, you will get results. I mean, just live example of today, using the strategy. I had a call from Aurangabad. I think so. Yeah, I had a call from Aurangabad, I suppose. I'm not too sure with the branch. But yes, I had a call from Aurangabad. And I was just explaining him how to apply this strategy. And I gave him a buy call for Adani Enterprise today itself. Friends, Adani Enterprise, I gave him a buy call at the price was 509. Friends, the price was 509. Within, while speaking to him, the price went to 519. I told him to exit. That's it. Again, the price came down to 511, 512. Again, buy, friends. That is what I'm trying to say. Let's not leave it. See this. You can see my screen, friends. In every year, you are having a green screen here. This is a screen which is automated, given by technical trader to me, as not as Devang, but as a person where I've applied my strategy. It says I have applied a strategy here where I want my EMS6 buy signals. I have applied this strategy, friends. You can see this on Nifty Midcap. EMS6 strategy, intraday, 15 minutes. As in when the signals are generated, it will keep on coming here. It's a highlighted signal here. You can watch this. I get all the signals here. You can see this 5 Adani Enterprise, what I was saying, 509. Adani Enterprise 509. It gave me a buy call. You can see this. Fine. Exactly. I'm trying to say the same thing. Friends, apply and see. You will not regret. But if you're not using the demo, if you're just keeping it without being used, you'll not get the results. We have seen two strategies today, friends. I've showed you today crossover strategy, and I've showed you today an intraday swing strategy in my words. Every strategy is available to you because you are connected to Prabhudas Leeladhar, where we definitely want you to grow. But that's not going to be possible if you don't apply yourself. Again, I'm saying anything new takes time. It's not easy. Everything is not a cakewalk. But believe me, if you have already done it twice, thrice, 4 times, it becomes a cakewalk for you. How does it matter? अगर आप कोई चीज 5 बार, 6 बार, 7 बार कर चुके हो, तो 8वीं बार आपको सिंपल ही लगनी है. लेकिन अगर आप वो शुरू ही नहीं करोगे, अगर आप डेमो के अंदर उतरोगे ही नहीं, रजिस्ट करोगे कि नहीं यार काम है, आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क, वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, अप्लाई तो करो एक बार फ्रेंड्स. सुबह विंडो स्टार्ट तो कर दो, एक बार रिजल्ट तो जमा करो, डेटा तो जमा करो. पैसा मिलता है यार. वी नीड मनी एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग. Not depending on anyone, on depending just on the system. And that's built, I mean, whatever things is beautifully given to you. So this is, I request everyone, please use it. I will not be sharing more strategies, because if you're not using, there is no point of, sharing a strategy. Friends, holding a webinar, discussing things with you, I'm not saying involves cost, but it involves very important thing called as time. And when I discuss a strategy on behalf of PL, and if I see my partners, my friends, my colleagues not applying it due to some reason, doesn't make sense in that. So guys, let's work it on this. I think so. I've discussed it today. Let me see the question answers here. Ravindraji, how much it will be longer for finished it? I'll come back to you soon. Akhilesh, how to create 2 averages? That's what I showed you. You'll have this video again, Akhilesh. How much strategies in one time, please? We can apply, I mean, one time frame, you can apply one strategy. We have a buy signal, we have a sell signal, there are different multiplications in that. आप 50 strategy बना सकते हो, लेकिन run एक साथ एक कर सकते हो ना, because screen एक ही है, ID एक ही मेरे पास. So we can do that. This Oppo F11, sir, cannot connect Excel. I'll Oppo F11 Pro, what's the name? I don't know. You can mail me, I'll send the Excel to you. Sajan, can we have buy signal based on RSI? Suppose I want to buy above 50. Can we customize? Yes, Sajanji. Sajanji, yes. We can customize anything as per your idea. We can do it. I'm doing a job and I want full-time trading. So how do I do it? Can I leave one job and do full-time? Ravindraji, this is what we can discuss in personal. I think so. Let's discuss it out personally. Govinda says, I'm late in webinar. Please stay. How to put in Odin. I will send a video to you, sir. You can go through this. Ashwini, sir, how to backtest different strategies. Ashwini, sir, I have to show you this thing live in your strategy. I have to take your system and show you. Please tell about other indicators available. Sonia says other indicators. Sonia, all indicators, starting from Bollinger, starting to Fibonacci, starting from going to 2 averages, moving averages, exponential, simple, everything is there, Sonia. Everything is there. You can go here. I'll show you the path. We can go to chart. In the chart, when I go to technical scan formula builder, Sonia, these are the different averages, Sonia. You can see this. Everything, all the indicators are used here. You can go through this once peacefully. And if any problem, we can again connect at any point of time. Ravindra says, next seminar, please tell me the time and date. It's too early to answer, but we will definitely come back to you, Ravindraji. There are a few chats here. Let's start from the things out there earlier basis. Can you show me how to sell the Dhruveshi? I said it. Ravindra, which software you used? Ravindra, we are using Odin Technical Traders. That's what the point is. Profit Adav, I have covered your point. Ashwini Patwa, sorry sir to misspell your name, but yes, we can do it. I have attached. Alligator is done. Jamin sir, thank you very much. I've actually coded for you. I'll share with you the strategy tomorrow. Thank you very much, Jamin. Jamin bhai, took me a late, but thank you. I have done it. I'll share with you. Coding will need additional cost. Guys, any cost and money matter, Ajay Pandey ji and Vikas sir are the best people to answer you. You can directly mail them. They'll help you out there. How to add a trailing stop loss if possible, please show. I'll personally show you, Devendra ji. It needs a lots of time, but I'll show you to you personally when you connect with me on your AnyDesk. Multiple time frame. Funny Kumar ji, there is an option of when you go to this particular chart, technical scan, formula builder, here we have an option of time span period. Here you have, so we can add to that particular thing here. But the time range selected, all buy strategy will have worked as overall market gone one way. Profit Ada, market has gone one way. I don't think so. Market has gone one way. Profit booking has been there. Hamesha profit loss हुए. So this particular thing, if there is if market is going one way, suppose as you said, market is going upwards, so we'll go for the buy strategy. And if the market is going downwards, we'll go with the sell strategy. Strategy to काम करेगा ही ना. It is when to enter and when to exit. It is what to enter and what to exit. These are the two main problems. In my first seminar, I told the two main problems are what, when to exit the market when the market is against me. And second, when to exit the market when the market is with me. मतलब book कब करना है और exit कब करना है, दोनों चीज important है. Back testing possible on old data? Sir, back testing is always on old data. Devendra ji, old data मतलब as per that script history only back testing will be done. How to back test and check results? Ashwini Patwa ji, please connect with me when I'll show you immediately on your screen, because here if I show will not make a sense to you. I will show you, but if I want to show you right now, I can show you how to back test. I'll go to my chart. I'll attach a strategy. Say I've attached a EMA6 buy strategy. I'll attach. Now to back test, I have to save to a CSV format. To a CSV format, I'll save to my desktop. Once I save it, I'll go there. Here, you can see this. This is the entire data. Now, this is what exactly I got when I trusted it. And then I have bifurcated. I've removed all these columns which are not important for me. Then I cut it short. Then I cut short it. मैंने उसमें से cut short किया. These are the things which I have removed. It is from 2000. Friends, I don't want from 2000. I want from 2020. So I'll go to that date 2020. Here we are, 2020. This is August 2020. I'll take April 2020. From here, I've started testing. You can see this. This is the data which I've copied to Excel, and I've done it. This is the way to be done, Ravindra ji. I'll help you when you meet, when we connect personally, friends. Don't worry. Then we have, how would you test your system on test back test? Can you show us? ध्रुवेश जी, मैंने अभी शायद वही दिखाया ना आपको. That's what I showed you right now. This is exactly what I showed you. Sir, the time what you showed for entry and exit, profit at that time, this can be tested. This is on a daily basis. So whichever time I test, it will not be taking today's day, from yesterday itself till back date. Time, any point of time you can enter. Funny Kumar, I use it by, it's not working. I was told to use custom builders to use multi-frame time. Funny Kumar ji, please connect with me personally after the webinar is over. We'll sort out your issue. My contact number I'll share with you, sir. Can backtest be done on options? Anywhere, Ashwini Patwa ji, whenever there is a data available, we can do backtest. Whichever script you want, we can do a backtest. Yes, Profit Data, we will definitely talk it out there. We should personally talk it out. I'm sharing my number 99783-78793. My name is Devang. Please get in connect. Please let's connect whenever it's possible for you. We should do it out there immediate basis so that we can start going further. And that's the main important thing for us. And that's what we are spending so much time for. Possible to automate the process? Sir, we have one touch automate. Sajanji, last webinar itself, we have discussed it's a one touch system. Everything cannot be automated. Signals will be automatic. Yes, signals will be coming to you automatic basis. That's what I showed you on my screen. Green screen are automatic signals. Again, the same question, possible for options? Yes, it is possible. Sajanji, multiple clients? Yes, multiple clients possible. Today we have tried on Bharti Airtel short 570 with signal generated, but not to set target. I will discuss with that USP Wealth so that we can see what we have set. Please share the trader parameter setup. That for this trader param setup, we have to again held a new webinar because it can't be done in 1 hour. It needs more time. Immediately soon basis will be doing it. Are there any slippages? There has been a frequent issue with some brokers. A word from you will add to confidence. Sonia, there is actually, there are actually no slippages. It all depends on the market, on your net. I don't think so. I have not been seeing any slippages right now, to be very honest to you. The system which I'm using, the technical trader backtest which I'm using, believe me, it's not giving me any slippages. It's going perfectly right. So I don't think so any problem. I have shared my number, but I'll again share my number here. So my number is 99783. I'll put a screen on that, guys, so it'll be easier for you to understand. I'll put my details here, so easier for you to understand. Here you go, friends. This is my number. I have my email ID here. Please feel free to get in connect. Please get it connected so that we can immediately solve it. It might take a day or two to get used to with this particular technique. But let's start. That's what I believe. Ek baar start karenge, so we will be able to do it nicely. Once again, I'm sharing my number on request, 99783 78793. Please. I forgot my number also. Anyways, guys, I think so. We have discussed everything out there. It was a fantastic, fantastic session, but only one kind request again, please. I'll make it a word, please. From my heart, I'm saying, dil se bol raha hu. Don't let the webinars just be webinars. Don't let the webinars just be a talk session from my side. Apply karo, yaar, apply karo, and get, and you have to get in touch with me. Ke ye nahi ho raha hai, wo nahi ho raha hai. Paisa lagta hai, friends. I need my partners, my clients, my friends. We can immediately, we want to earn money. So let's start, because if we start, we can go further. Ravindraji, anytime tomorrow morning, 9:30 to 3:30, anytime you can get in touch with me. Anytime you feel comfortable. You have to be in front of your screen with AnyDesk with you. Odin चालू रखना, demo ID ready रखना, मैं आपको setup करके दूंगा, या जो भी आपका discussion है वो कर दूंगा. Don't worry, Ravindra ji, any point of time, I'm there with you. The entire team is with you, friends. We need to sort it out. We need to sort it out. So we need to take action. Let's prove it. I want emails from you to Ajay Pandey and Vikas sir ji for activation of demo IDs if you haven't done so far. At least give it a try. Try to dang se kar lo, right? So chaliye friends, I think so more than I've taken your long time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for having a patient hearing. And again, I'm requesting, please use it. Please use the things. It's very, very, very important to start using it. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. I have shared my number. Please get in touch with me. This is my number, my email ID. Please get in touch with me, right? Thank you very much. It was a nice session with you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.